Hello friends, welcome to wavescript.info, and here we are going to continue our HTML CSS video series. And in this video we are going to design this card item. We have done our top navigation bar, we have done with side navigation bar, and this is working fine, so you can see here. And now I'm going to design our card. So let's you can download images from pixels.com, so where you can search for the free images. Those images you can use for your project as well as for commercial projects. Those are just free images. No one will blame you or ask for the money. You can download it from here. So this is the website. Here you can search for the images, whatever the images you want, you can download it. And one more thing, keep in mind, make sure when you are creating the preview image for your thumbnails, so that image should not be large, then it will consume it will take so much time while your page is rendering. So make sure to take very less size of images. For example, you can select any of them. Let's say it's the image I have selected. And you can see there is an option of free download, and when you click over this, then you'll see this options. The original size is 4935 cross 3293. So if you want to make it your background, then you can go with this size of large size image, but I have chosen a small size image for my preview. This is not the actual image, so just for preview I have downloaded all the images of this size, 640 cross 427, right? So you can download this size, and this size image will just about a few KBs, and it will not take much time. It will be very quicker. So just you can download it from here, close it. So let's design our card. And one more important thing, so as you can see, we are repeating these two lines in all the in all our events, in all our click events. So what I'm doing, what I want to do, I just remove these things, and we can call a function from here. Just create a function. Whatever the name you want, you can give, it doesn't matter. So this is the function click action, and I'm gonna remove this anonymous function. Here I can also pass the name of function, so that's a callback. Remove from here also, and from here also, and say here copy this function name and paste here, so it will be called when someone click over this menu or close button or something like that. So this is a callback. So here we are passing simply the name of the function, and when someone click, then it will be called. Save all, and let's refresh our page, then make sure it's working fine. Yep, it's working fine. As you can see, this is what we have done up to now, and we are going to continue creating our card. So we just reduce our number of lines of codes, and here I'm going to create a main container. So let's design the main container, or give it little style. So this is our wrapper of our whole content. Let's give it a style. So we have given the width position relative margin 0 auto, so it will be in centered of the page. And I just want to show what will happen. We have given the position fixed to our top navigation. So if you refresh it, then you are not able to see the paragraph. Let's add one more paragraph. Now you are able to see. It's because this is taking from the this top, right? So what we can do, we can change the position of our top navigation bar. We can make it relative, or it's our main wrapper of the whole content. So we can give it a little space from the top. So like this, you should come here and give it So we have already given position relative and give it top 100 pixel is fine, and that's it. And then we can design our main container. Actually it requires nothing, sorry, it's container. And remove the paragraphs we don't want. So inside the container I want to create my card, and there I will create card. First I want the image figure class image container, and then I want my image, give it a class also, or it's not required, just give it. So what I have done, I have already added my folder, images folder here, and I added 9 images. So you can also get the images from pexels.com and you can put here. For now just I'm gonna put here images one.jpeg. That's it. Save it, refresh, and you can see this is the image, right? This is the size of 640 or something like that. Let's design the card. And you can see this is like this, and you can see the border radius I want 3 pixel, and because of the image it is not 3 pixel, so you can give it here border hyphen radius. The color I've chosen is not right, I think, so this is fine. And you can see the border radius is also applied from here. So if you just zoom it, then you are able to see it. Border radius is also applied in this area at the bottom of the image, you can see here. So I don't want, right, to give it here. So it is from the first corner will be 3 pixel, then second right corner will be 3 pixel, and the rest of the places and rest of the 2 corners will be 0. That's it. This is what I want, and it's fine. Okay, and this image should be in center. For that, specify the width of 350 pixel. Okay, that's the image. And you can see now this is fine, right? And card. So apply the image transition here for the image transition of 0.25 seconds linear. And here it says, you can say the transform scale 1.10, so it will be increase in size. It will increase in size. If you say, let's say 2,2, then it will be increase in size twice of the actual size. So I don't want the such big size. 1.10 is fine for my purpose. Let's see. You can see the image is scaling. Fine. You can also get the cursor here, pointer. Nice, great. And let's make it the actual size. Okay, now in the remaining spaces I'm gonna add see, title, location, date, and who uploaded this image, and there are green 2 buttons. Whatever you want, you can give here open or whatever things are there. they just come here index and let's refresh it here. So you can see my title from and everything is there and it is out of the card. So let's see the reason. This container, this is the card. Sorry my friend, it should be inside the card. Okay, that's cool. And you can see here, so this is exactly the position. So let's give a padding and other things. Card, then info. Padding from top and bottom, let's give a 20 pixel. It's all up to you, whatever the padding or whatever the margin you want you can give. For my, I will decide just random how much it, for my views, when I feel it's fine, then I will let it be like this. Okay, so it's all up to you, you can define your own, right? Not necessary what I'm defining. From top and bottom it will be 10 pixel, from left right 15 pixel. Let's say how it will look like this. From top and bottom it's 10 pixel and left right it is 15 pixels. So from India and November should be in the right side. That's actually the date. Copy this and that will be here. So what we can do here, text align right. Okay, that's bad. And why the reason is, okay, that's the reason. Span, and there are two span. Okay, it should be the date. And you can see we have given class C text line, right, but it's not working. The reason is here we need to understand this div. This is a block level element. This is span. This is span is an inline element. That's why this from India and date will just side by side. Or we can make it block level element, and we can change the position, and we can say from right it will be 0, something like that. So for that, instead of giving padding, we can give here margin. I'm not sure, let's see what happens. It will be fine, but it will be same, no change at all. So now let's inspect this card, and I will show you one of the most important thing. So just scroll here and you can see this span and this date is both are inline elements, so you cannot apply with height or anything here in this thing. And the only option just to make this number 4 to the right side is you can change the position of this number, but so if you change this position, so what you can change the position absolute. So when you select it, first you have to select it. Now it is selected, and you come to the your browser elements and styles, and here you can change the position, make it absolute, and give from right it will be 0. So you can see if you have given the right 0, then this is going out of this card. The reason is you have given position absolute, and if you want to keep this thing inside the card, and instead of here you want just touch this border, so you'll have to give position relative parent element. So parent element required position relative. you can see the margin is working fine and the element is just exactly what I want. This is perfect. You just keep little inside the info. This is info, title, content. Give the padding from top and bottom to the content. Okay, so just give it. First apply the title for padding from top and bottom. It will be 10 pixel. Let's see, from left right will be 0, and then we will have what we have div user info. Let's give it. It's not user info, it's actually the location. Let's say copy, padding will be from top and bottom, 10 pixel, left right 0. Okay, it should be this from India and by Muhammad Rizwan Khan. Okay, let's see how it will. Okay, that's fine. Give it a border hyphen bottom one size solid. So that's great. And now you can see this small by Rizwan Khan. This is an inline element and this is a block level element. So that's it is down. So we'll have to make it inline element. So you come here and see that's a class. Whatever you want, you can give the class name. It doesn't matter. F count and in your card. Now let's design this 3 to 1 open. So this 3 to 1 and open both are inline elements. So it's just, that's why this is just in front of each other. And this is a span. This span and this 3 to 1 this is actually anchor tag. And both are inline element which is wrapped by a block level element. That's why it is in second line. So what we can do, we can make this as div f count as a block level element. For this we just need to say dot f hyphen count and display inline block. That's it. And it will be inline block, and you can say here just say position absolute, and from right it will be 0. That's cool. And you can design the content. That's the F count and it has the anchor tag. So we'll have to say display inline block just to apply all the style features. Radius will be 20 pixels. That's here. And you can see the padding 5 pixels. Okay, now you can apply the margin on this content. The parent element is footer. So we'll have to say dot footer. Okay, so this is done. So card is done, and we can repeat this card. How we can repeat it? Okay, just get it. Come here, and this is a card. Just copy it. save it. You can see all are just like a stack one upon another. So we can make it display flex. So the parent is container. Where is container? Here it is, container. So that's why I've left it blank. Let's make it display flex. No, it's a flex container, so it will be line by line. The problem is, you can see this is going out of the main container. Okay, that's a 1200 pixel that ends here. Just here you can see my cursor, and it is going out. So what we can do, we can say it's a flex wrap. Just wrap it inside the container instead of going out. I can see it's fine, and you can say it. You can apply the card margin from outside. Margin 10 pixel. That's cool. So it's fine, and you can see I think 20 pixel is better. Now it is looking like, oh, sorry, not this one, this one. So now it's fine. All the cards are here. I'm still leaving this hard design, and it will be just inside the card. So which is, you can design like this. Here is the info figure container. You can design it. You can add it here. Display class and image element. You can say that span or whatever. Let's get it from my previous code because I'm consuming so much time. Image element. Let's take this, copy, and so what we have done here, this is an anchor tag which has a class img item, and inside we have just simple text of 26 and one icon. That you can see the icon is heart, so heart icon, then is space non-breaking, and then inside is span I have my text 26. It's just like this one. So that's clear. Heart icon, space, and span 26. Then we have another span, which is view. We can also wrap this view inside the anchor tag, then it will be clickable. Okay. So just give it. So img icon element, you can see, or make sure you have image container as a position related. Then only you can apply position absolute to this img element, and it will not go outside. Okay, so just come and see image container. That's image container, and there is no position related, so you have to apply position related, save, and then img element. Then we have what we have. That's it, img element. Which is inside image container. Let's see the output. You can see the output is here. Okay, now let's design this heart and this view. So here you can see the img element, and we have given the from top 0 and other things. Just remove this top and add this CSS properties from right 10, from top 10, opacity 0, transition all 0.2 seconds. So opacity 0 you are not able to see it, make it 1. So you can see that's here. You can apply the border also. So now we are going to design this img item in your style.css, and where you have written this image element, just scroll down and add this img item class and define the feed properties, css properties in line block with 50, height 25, border 1 pixel white, and text line center, line height 25 pixel. Important, that's the important feature. Actually there is it will not take line height 25 pixel, so I'm forcing it to accept this line height 25 pixel, the border radius 20 pixel, cursor pointer. In some other videos I will explain what is this important if you don't know. Cursor pointer, color white, font weight bold. Save and refresh your page, and you can see this is like this, but you'll have to make it opacity 0. When you hover this image element, when you hover this image container, then image element opacity will change. So where we have written hover feature, here image container, when you hover then image transform will change, as well as when you hover image container, and at the same time you will change the image element. Image element, the opacity will be 1. Refresh. Now you can see that's fine. And what I'm trying to do, just make it a little fade like this whiteness. Okay, just do it. So for that we have this image container. Okay, I'm gonna change the opacity of this image container. Not opacity, yeah, opacity, fine. Image container, then opacity will be, say, 0.5 is fine. Or yeah, image container or image, sorry, not image container, that's a parent element. You can change the opacity for image. That's here. You can see, so you can change the opacity. When hover, then image will transform, and then you can change the opacity also to 1. That's cool, right? So in this video we have done our card, and in the next video I will try to make it responsive. Right now it is not responsive. If you see, actually we have used display flex, then it will be better, but we can make it more responsive, right? So this is what we are seeing right now. So it's not responsive at all. We'll have to make it responsive. We'll have to add this search option also. So for now in this video this is enough. And if you're watching this video and if you're liking this video, please comment and let me know in the comment section, and definitely I will post the source code after finishing this complete theme. Don't worry about the source code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.